Gabby. Today we're going to be doing the DTVP-A, which is a test of visual perceptual skills for ages 11 to 74 and 11 months. So are you ready to get started?
Yep.
Okay. We're going to start with subtest 1, which is copying. The ceiling on this item is a score of 0 on 3 consecutive items. Alright. Open the response booklet to the copying subtest. Look at this page. See all these boxes? Each box has a picture in the top half and nothing in the bottom half. I want you to draw the picture that you see up here in the top part of the box, down here in the blank space. When you draw your picture, make sure that it stays inside of the box. Do not erase. Begin your drawing on the top row. When you have completed those drawings, move to the bottom row. Continue drawing until I tell you to stop or you have completed the last drawing. Good. Now we're going to move on to subtest 2, which is figure ground. The materials needed is the picture book, and the ceiling for this item is a score of 0 on 3 consecutive items. Look at this page. See the picture at the top of the page and the long box with the shapes in it at the bottom? I want you to show me which of these shapes down here are part of the pictures at the top of the page.
That one.
Let's try another one. I want you to show me which of these shapes down here are part of the picture at the top of the page. Ready? Now we're moving on to subtest 3, the visual motor search. And the materials you need are a response booklet and a stopwatch. The ceiling is the examinee is given up to 3 minutes to complete the search. I want you to make a trail by drawing a line through the numbered circles in order. That is, draw a line from 1 to 2 to 3 and so on. You can draw through the circles. Continue drawing until you reach the circle marked end. Try not to touch any circles without numbers. Do it as fast as you can without making any mistakes. Ready? Go. Now we're moving on to subtest 4, which is visual closure, which you need the picture book for, and the ceiling is a score of 0 on 3 consecutive items. Look at the page in front of you. See the box at the top and the 3 boxes under it? Look at the picture in the top box. Now look at the pictures down here. Someone did not finish drawing these pictures. Try to imagine what they would look like if they were finished. If they were finished, which one of these drawings would look like the drawing at the top? So Gabby is 25 years old, and that is how we will be scoring for DTVP-A. So first, we need to add her raw scores to each row for each of the 6 subtests. So start with copying. Her raw score, we just add up the numbers. So she has 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2. So that is 8. Now we move on to her. We have to convert the raw score to a percentile. So for copying, raw score is 8. Gotta open up to the appendix, find the percentile.
Appendix A, no.
Oh, did I pass it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so I have to find Gabby's age, which is in between 23 and 29. So her raw score for copying is 8. So she's in the less than 1 percentile.
Yikes.
And
this is going to be really bad.
Figure ground, she got a raw score of 1. She's also in less than 1 percentile. Now we have to add up the now we have to get the subset test standard scores, and that's over here. So
Still on appendix or table A?
yeah, so copying your standard score is 1. So now we got the subtest standard scores sum, and we got that by adding each column.
Okay.
Now we're going to convert the subtest standard score sum to a composite score and a percentile. So for the GVPI, which is general visual perception, we will take the score of 17. And I think that's in a different appendix, sorry.
Appendix B.
Subtest, yeah. So this is, we have to look for 17. Be back here. So that gives us an index number of 50 for GVPI, which corresponds to a percentile rank of less than 1.